I just found a new AI tool that you can use to generate your videos for free. You don't need to pay for Grok AI. You don't need to pay almost 50,000 naira for Grok AI. I just found a tool that you can use to generate your videos for free. Now, if this sounds like what you want to know, come let me teach you how to create this video.
Why are you grinding with a local grinding stone?
My husband a local one sweet pass.
First thing you do is to come over to ChatGPT. Now, I already got my prompt from ChatGPT. So if you don't have a prompt yet, so you can tell ChatGPT to write your prompt for you. So this is my prompt. I don't want this video to be long at all. So that was the reason why I had to do this off-screen record. So I'm just going to copy my prompt. So once I copy my prompt, I'm going to go to the particular AI tool I'm going to be using to generate my image and my video for free. Then you're going to come to your browser and search for DGen AI. So this is it. This is the particular one. You can install the app if you want. It has app, but I'm going to be using it from this site. So I'm just going to click on that. Then it's going to bring me to this interface. So if you've not yet signed up, they are going to ask you to sign up with Google. So you can use any email account that you have. Now, the first thing we do is to generate our image. And to generate our image, remember we've already copied our prompt. So all we just have to do is to click on this particular place. It's going to take us to the interface to generate our image. Now, this is the image that I generated before. So I want to paste the particular one I want to generate now. So you can decide to change your aspect ratio here. So this is the aspect ratio. We have different aspect ratio. We also have 16:9. We have 2:3. We have 1:1. Different aspect ratio. But I want to use the 9:16 aspect ratio. So once I'm done selecting it, I'm just going to paste my prompt. Now I'm just going to click on this place to generate the image. So now let's wait for it to generate our image for us. Now see, it generated it in seconds, like in just few seconds, it generated my image. It did not even take time. Now see what you can do. If maybe the image that you want, the exact image you want, it did not give you the exact image, you can click on re-edit. You can click on retry. So I can just decide to click on re-edit. Maybe I wanted to change what the man is wearing or something. I'll just click on re-edit. So once I click on re-edit, I'm going to write exactly what I want it to do. Now once I'm done editing it, I'm just going to regenerate it. Now you see it has regenerated it. All I'm just going to do is to click on this top part and I'm going to download this image. So you can see that they have different options here that you can use to generate your image. So once you look at the top like this, so you see that we are using the Nano Banana for it. So there are a lot of tool that you can use here. So you can see this one. So there are different types. So we are looking for the free one. So that's the reason why we are using this particular one. You can see that this one is unlimited view. Look at it at the top. So this is it. So we use the Nano Banana to create our image just now. So we can just decide to generate the video from here. So now you can see that the image is loading. You can generate your video from here. So we can also generate the video from the other front interface. So we want to generate it from the other front interface. So we are going to go back to the first interface. Now this is the front interface. What we are just going to do is to come to this place. Then we are just going to impute the image that we just downloaded. Now this is the image that we just downloaded. So we're just going to write the video prompt. So now I just had to change to desktop side. So that's why the interface is looking like this. So now I already dropped the prompt. So you can decide to use any tool here. We have different AI tool here. Once you click on it, you start seeing different ones. But this particular one we are going to be using is the free tool. You can see once you zoom it, you see that they wrote free. So it's the only free tool here. Others are paid too. So this is the one we are going to be using. So you can decide to change your aspect ratio to any aspect ratio that you like to use. So you can see the duration here. So once we are done setting all of that, we'll come to this part and click on generate. So click on generate. So let's wait for it to generate our video for us. You can see that it's generating our video. Now you can see that it has finished generating our video. It doesn't take time, just take a few seconds for a free AI tool like this that you can use to generate your video. Just within few seconds you are done generating your video. So it generated the first one for me. Because I forgot to add a Nigerian in a Nigerian voice, it gave me a different accent, gave me a different one that I don't like. So I had to regenerate it again, all screen record. So I'm just going to play the first one for you to hear, then I'll play the second one after I regenerated it.
So says in anger, why are you grinding with a local grinding stone? So says in anger, why are you grinding with a local grinding stone?
So you notice that the first one was not perfect because what I asked, what the AI was not supposed to say started saying it. So I had to regenerate it and also the accent. Then let me play the second one that I regenerated. Now this is the second one. So let's just play the second one.
Why are you grinding with a local grinding stone?
My husband a local one sweet pass.
Why are you grinding with a local grinding stone?
My husband a local one sweet pass.
So now you can see, now all you are just going to do is to come to this down part and click on download. So now let's just download this particular video to our device. So you can see that it's loading. It's going to download your video for you. And you can see that it's downloaded. So let's click on open so that we'll see our video. So let me just play it.
Why are you grinding with a local grinding stone?
My husband a local one sweet pass.
So you can use this AI to generate as many videos as you want. If you're using it for for YouTube, you can select your desired aspect ratio that you want to use to to generate your video. So you can use 16:9, you can use 9:16. Any aspect ratio is available here, and you are going to generate your videos for free. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, I want you to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I post a new video. So I'm going to see you in my next video.